Hello again. In this lesson, our objective is to remove the first next screen. So let's begin. Open CrackMe3 in x64 DBG. We are now at the entry point. Now we are going to press F8 until the next screen appears. Keep pressing F8 to step over. Now there's another easy way to step over it automatically without having to keep pressing F8. So you can use this command, trace animate over. So let's give it a try. And now the next screen has shown when this call is being made, as you can see. So now you learn a new command. Let me repeat that. You can go and click on trace animate over, and this animate over will simulate the key press of F8. So you don't have to keep on pressing F8 all the time. If you keep on pressing F8 until the program goes into a running state, that means it is not in a pause state anymore. If you press F8 manually like this, it is only executing one instruction and then goes into a pause state. And then you keep on pressing until the next screen is shown. At the point when the next screen is shown, it is in a running state, not in a pause state. So when you click trace animate over, it will keep on pause state until it reaches an instruction which sends it into a running state, as you can see now. So when it is in a running state, we cannot analyze or debug it because we are not in the pause state. So this is how it works. So now the opening neck is shown. So now we know that it is this call which caused the opening neck to be shown. So we have to put a breakpoint here and then rerun it again, and this time when it breaks here, we will step into it using F7. So let's restart it, and now we can run to this breakpoint. Click on run button or press F9, and now we are paused at this breakpoint. Click on or press F7 to step into it, and now we are inside the call. Press F8, and now here it is creating our window dialog. Keep pressing F8, and over here a decision is being made. As you can see, either it is going to jump here or it is going to go straight into a message box. So let's see what happens. So at this point, a jump is not taken, as you can see down here, and the line is also gray. So if you press F8, it will go into the next instruction and keep pushing all the parameter that will be used by the message box. And it seems that the parameter is a bad parameter. It is going to show you an opening neck. So if you press F8 now, the neck is shown. So it is important to analyze this. It is here that the decision is made whether to jump or to show the next screen. So we can either toggle the zero flag in order not to jump or patch it. Okay, so now we put a breakpoint here and restart. Run to the first breakpoint. Now click again 9 or click on this run button, run to the second breakpoint. So our second breakpoint here, if we don't want the opening neck to be shown, we can toggle the zero flag. So this jump, JNE, means jump when not equal to 1. So JNE is referring to the zero flag. So when the zero flag is not equal to 1, then it will jump. If the zero flag is equal to 1, it will not jump. So that is the meaning of JNE, jump not equal to 1. So at the moment, the zero flag is equal to 1, so it will not jump. In order to make it jump, we must make the zero flag not equal to 1. So now the zero flag is not equal to 1, so this is true, so it will jump. So now if we were to press F8, it will jump over this part here and will not show the next screen. As you can see, the window is shown without the next screen. So this is how we solve it. So to make this change permanent, what do you think we should do? We have to assemble a jump instruction here to jump to this address. So let's do it now. So we are going to assemble a jump JMP, and then we just click this to see whether or not we have enough bytes. The present instruction uses up 2 bytes. That means our new assembly should also use only 2 bytes, not more. Let's check. So, and then when we click keep size, it says instruction is the same size, so we are okay, it's safe. It will not override any other instructions, so that is fine. So click OK to assemble this. So we are going to jump now. So that is fine. Let's close this and we can now patch it. File, patch file, and then click patch, and then over here give it create a new file, call it patch neck 1, patch neck 1, click save. Okay, let's close it. Now let's open the patch and test it out. We are going to press F8. Until we hit the or we can just press alright, so it is shown. The window is shown without any next screen. So we have solved the first part of the first challenge, which is to remove the next screen. We have removed the startup next screen, and we have another next screen to remove, which is the other one. When we close this program, the second next screen will be shown, this one. So we'll solve this second challenge at the next lesson. Thank you for watching.